you know, try and get a new membership at the gym. I'm not saying that you shouldn't, but what if you could just do it all in the comfort of your own home? Not feel the pressure of, I don't have time scheduled to get to the gym, or if I just want to travel with this, I'm on the go. We have everything you need from Bell & Howell with their resistant bands, 10-piece fitness kit. It comes with a storage pouch, so you can keep everything in one little place, throw it in a closet, or you can take it with you when you're on the go. These sold out when we brought them to you over 3 months ago. We finally got them back in stock. They're here. It's so easy. It's all color-coded, everything you could possibly need, and we brought it back at an incredibly low price. You're getting all 10 pieces today for $19.99. Take advantage of Flex and get it home for $10. What I love about these resistance bands too, it acts as like a weight. So even if you can't afford, you know, that big weight set, you get that with these resistance bands. Don't take it from me. I may not be the expert, even though I love, love, love to work out. I've created my own gym at home, but Chad Allen, come on in, my friend. I always see him in the gym, by the way, because he just like goes above and beyond.
Oh, stop. I'm not an expert either.
But you are always on the go, Chad, and you would know because you use all the different types of machines and weights at the gym.
Yeah.
Can you show us truly what I can get done? Even if I'm sitting right now watching TV, you could be doing this with your cup of coffee on the side, getting in a workout.
Yeah, we give you everything you need. And so each resistance band, each color is its weight, a coordinating weight. So it's 15, 20, 25, 30. They're all color coordinated. We have these soft, grippy handles. These are foam handles with a strong interior there. And so when you do this, it's a soft comfort grip. And so they're attached to the resistance bands with a carabiner. Each side of each resistance bands have a carabiner. You get 10 of those. And then they're all embroidered with the actual weight there with the matching color stitching. So it's not a sticker that's gonna wear off. It actually tells you the weight. And so with this, I can easily take this handle off of here and then attach the ankle strap or the door anchor, anything that I want, and then it clips back on and it gives you something nice to hold on to. And I'm gonna stand up because what I want you to do is when you get it home, you can be sitting or standing, just stand on it, okay? Just stand on it.
Listen, I've got a fashion show coming up in an hour, so I'm wearing my dress, but that's how easy I can do this, even in heels.
So you just sort of stand on it. You can do some bicep curls like this. You can do some raises and some flies. There's a million exercises you can do in terms of using resistance training. We're gonna give you 11 or 12 in that, depending on how you count exercises. I think a couple of them are the same.
Okay, I've done like 6 reps and I already feel it.
Right, pictures and words all included for you. And so when you start to work out like this, I want this to be right here on your chair, your favorite chair.
Right.
Just throw it over the back of it because when you walk by it, you grab it.
Can you imagine just adding a little bit? It's just
yes,
adding a little bit. Sometimes you think, I can't get to a gym. I have to stop down and I've got to figure out what time I can schedule it into my busy life and drive there and find parking. If you have this, and I mean, studies show that if you make something easy and accessible and visible, whether it be in your home or your daily life, there's more of a chance that you're actually gonna use it.
Right, and so here's the difference. And so we're talking about, this is one 15-pound weight. And so this 15-pound weight here is gonna match the red band.
Oh, wow,
So this is 15, and the red band is 15. The difference between the two things is quite obvious. This wants to drop to the ground, right? You go to grab this free weight, this dumbbell, whatever you call these, you go to grab this, you got gravity working against you. It wants to drop.
Right.
What if I need to work on a shoulder, you know, or something, and I need to go like this? This is the wrong way to work out, okay? So you can get rid of that. And now let's pretend this was the red one. The same 15-pound weight. Now if I drop it, it doesn't hurt my toe. If I pick it up and I start to do this, I have resistance on the way up and then on the way down.
You almost can customize. Like if you want them to go wider with your feet, I can make it even more resistant.
Exactly right. I can just hold it and do these side steps just like this.
So good for your hips.
Hold your handles tight, right? So hold it up high and then take a step to the side. You're getting your abductors there. Wow, I can feel the burn.
But you know what I love about this right here? Not only you're getting results, you're doing it easily in the comfort of your own home. You're getting the variety. I don't have to go get a whole other weight set, but it actually comes to cherry on top with this wonderful catalog that gives me photos, gives me all of the instruction on how to use it. So even if you never work out or I rarely do it, I don't know what I'm doing, we get that pamphlet in here that gives you everything you could possibly need, all of the ways that you can use these bands. It gives you the information, it gives you the visuals. I don't know about you, Chad, but I'm a visual learner, so I appreciate the photos, it shows me how I can take advantage of a door,
Right.
hook it around. Now I'm doing back exercises. I'm going from shoulders to legs. It really is a full body experience.
We're talking chest fly, chest press, bicep curls,
Everything.
standing a back row, bent over row, shoulder press, shoulder raise, squat, stretches,
And the more you
core.
do, then you can go up in your weights and you don't have to think, okay, what weight am I at? Because it tells you, it's embroidered right into every resistance band, which
Right.
is so hard to find.
And you have, I mean, I know you work out a lot, and you're married to a big man, right?
He's a football coach.
Football
He's been an
coach.
athlete his whole life, so
And
yes.
so sometimes when you get to like the kind of level that Rebecca's husband's at, you might need to connect two of these bands. So I can connect the yellow and red together with the carabiners and pull two bands at the
Yes,
same time,
yes.
which makes a big difference. And so what I'm trying to say, I guess, is whether you're a very beginner and you're starting with the yellow and moving your way up, and then you start to combine them,
Right.
there's not a person this isn't for.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
It's an ageless. And even, you know, I've noticed it too. I've gone to physical therapy and I've noticed that's what I'm seeing them
Right.
using are the resistance bands because again, it doesn't feel like it's as intense on the muscles. You can really customize what you're doing, how much resistance you want. Look as Christina just uses it with the easy door. I mean, like if you're just throwing this on the back of your bathroom door, you know a door in your home that you've got some space. Maybe it's a closet door in your
Yep.
living room. You could be doing chest flies. You could be doing back exercises. You can go as low weight, low resistance as you want and as high as you want. Maybe one day you're just like, I'm lazy today. I just want to do 5 or 10 minutes and I want to do it low. Or maybe you're
Yeah.
feeling really good that day
Yeah.
and you want to take it up a notch. I just love that this 10-piece set, think about it. What if you've gone and researched, you know, maybe some workout equipment, or you've gone to a store, the big box sporting goods store, to get a 10-piece collection,
Right.
to also get the exercises printed out for me, to get the storage bag. This is an incredible value, perfectly priced to invest in your own health, in the comfort of your own home, whenever you want to, instead of getting that gym membership, because we all have the greatest intentions. I'm one of those. I'm gonna cut back on this sugar, or I'm going to, you know, get in more exercise a week. We all have the best intentions at the top of the year. But then, especially with a gym membership, a lot of times, we end up not going and we're just throwing that money down the toilet. This is a great way to say, yes, I do want to invest in my fitness this year, in my health this year. It's a perfect baby step
Yep.
because it's right there whenever I want to use it. Great resistance, and then it's Bell & Howell. And I know
Yes.
you've been partnering with them
Yes.
since the beginning, the inception of the fitness gear.
That's
so
right.
Chad, from your perspective, I know Bell & Howell really listens and
Yep.
thinks about what people are actually using,
Yeah.
what's effective.
That's right.
And let me just make it so easy, storable.
Well, I refuse to do anything that isn't easy, number one, okay? That's true, we all know. If you know me, you know that's true. And so a year ago, I said, can we make fitness equipment? A little over a year ago. And so a year ago, we actually launched fitness here at HSN with Bell & Howell, which we had not had before because I was on my own fitness journey. I hired a personal trainer, I'm going to a commercial gym, and I have a great time. We use equipment, big weights. However, every single day between every single set, we use resistance training.
I love resistance.
Resistance training is how you get longer, leaner
Yes.
muscles. Resistance training does not bulk you up. It doesn't make you an Olympian muscle man. It doesn't do that. Resistance training is resistance. So it's giving you the longer, leaner muscles because your muscles contracting
Like,
on the
look
way
at that,
up
you can see it.
and on the way down, but it doesn't feel like you're lifting the kind of weight you're getting, okay? And so when you're able to do this, you can get this home and do this yourself without going to the sweaty, gross, smelly gym.
Waiting for the weight set, waiting for
Waiting.
the machine.
You
I
really
mean,
are waiting. And Rebecca, I was starting to tell Rebecca when I came out here, I went to the gym yesterday, a commercial gym here in Tampa.
Yeah.
I drove through the parking lot and kept leaving. I literally did a loop. There wasn't one parking space available.
Right, we're a week into Jan, not even, I don't
Yes.
even know what day of the week it is anymore. And the same thing at the shopping center down the street from us. There's a big gym and people are just looping. You're already spending time to get there. Then you get there and who knows what it looks like on the inside. Do it in the comfort of your own home. For $19.99, These sold out 3 months ago. We just got them back in stock. So I know we've got well over 100 new customers on the phone right now. Welcome in. Congratulations to you at home picking these up. Already, what, over 12, I can't see that number. Is that over 13,000 sold? And this is why. Look at Christina. Now she's working on her back. Look how easy this is. Whether you want the resistance bands, you want to stand on them, you want to take it to a door, try a different exercise. We're giving you the pamphlet to show you all the ways you can use it.
Actually, let me walk over to her and show you that. Because what you're seeing on your screen, I'm going to walk right in front of the camera. Sorry. Hi, everybody. Wasn't very far. Look, every time she pulls back, you're activating the muscles. She's still smiling. She's having a great time. It's not like you're lifting big, heavy dumbbells, but you're getting all the activation in the muscles, which makes a huge difference. And so summer's going to be here, spring's going to be here, I promise, and you're going to have those tank tops on, those spaghetti straps on. You're going to want to see those defined muscles. Look, every time she pulls back, do you see what's happening there? Every single time. And it's not like she's jumping around and doing jumping jacks and sweating and, you know, having like she's 20 years old again. I'm 35. I go to the gym and I see these college kids doing all the things I used to do. I'm like, you're going to hurt yourself. You're going to hurt you. Just calm down. What are you doing? Maybe it's because I feel like I'm getting older. And so we don't have to do those things to get the results. That's the big point here. You can have something that's lightweight, easy to use, and that bag that comes with it, Rebecca, that little bag is your entire gym.
In one,
all in one little pouch.
Throw it in your bag if you're traveling, you're going away for a little vacation, you know you're going to be on the go. I just love that. And I also don't have a lot of storage in my own home. I don't even have room. We've got a nursery. We don't have our guest room anymore. I don't even have room for a gym. It's outdoors in my lanai because we live here in Florida, but you live in, you know, New York City. It's freezing. You've got little space. So this is such a great way to get a gym at home. What you're getting, let me tell you, because I spent years creating my own little mini gym at home, which is kind of all over the place, like I just said. But a 20 pounds like dumbbell, for example, even at the discount stores, cost you on average, it's like $1 per pound.
This was like 35 bucks actually.
Right, because it's, again, then it's the brand, it's the brand name, wherever you're getting it, if you're getting it at a big sporting goods store. So think about it that way. We both know, per pound, you're gonna spend at least, so a 20-pound weight will cost you $20.
Yeah.
You're getting 10 pieces here. Each resistance band will show you how much weight you're getting. So
with carabiners on each one.
With the carabiners. So you can hook these wherever you want. I get excited about stuff like this because you're getting so much bang for your buck. And it's an investment into your health. So whether you don't even use it for a month, you spent $19.99.
That's right.
I mean, this is really up to you. It's customizable. Bring it wherever you want. Store it wherever you want. You're getting 10 pieces. You're getting so many weights. Forget about just one dumbbell. Then you're getting options. You've got your foam handles that actually feel really, really good on the hands, especially if you've got dexterity issues. You take it to your door, and then you hook it over. And by the way, we give you the pamphlet. It's got photos. It's got incredible instructions. So easy to use all of this. And that's what I really, really love. It shows me what I've got, how easy it is to use, gives me the exercises. It's in the convenience of your own home. If you have the smallest condo, you have your at-home gym. How much would you spend on a gym membership these days? I haven't even looked. I think that the lowest price you could do is maybe $10 or $15 a month. But then, you know, how many times are you honestly going? Because life is crazy. My schedule changes all the time. I know yours does. So does yours at home. I've got little kids running around. Maybe you're a grandparent, you babysit your kids a couple times a week, or your grandkids. This is an opportunity to, I've got 15 minutes this morning that I didn't know I had yesterday. I can go run and grab my little storage pouch, pull these out, and have an at-home little exercise workout in my living room.
That's right.
This is why I love to work out at home, and this is an opportunity to get the sold out set, 10 pieces, home to you. Not sure how long we're gonna have it for, Chad, because I know it's sold out in September. We finally got it back in stock, and you're the first to see it since we got it back in stock.
I think this is our 5th reorder, actually. Last year. We launched it last January at this time, and I think we've had 5 reorders since because we just...
It's just such an incredible value for what you're actually getting.
Yes, and I wish it were more expensive because of what you were just talking about, because I feel like you would use it. In $19.99, it's almost like you can put it in the top drawer and forget about it, and you're not upset if you don't use it. I want you to use it. So I sort of wish it was more money because I think you would. So when you get it home, honestly, put one over your chair, around the door handle, somewhere where you're gonna walk by it and grab it, and just do this. It's not a new year, new me. I don't care who says that. It's a new year, it's the same me, okay? I just need to get better at workouts. 60 seconds turns into 2 minutes, which turns into 5 minutes, and then you're gonna look at yourself.
See how you start feeling. I mean,
Yes.
it's just like, you're more likely to use it. Even if you're working out, they say even 3 times a week. Even if you're just sitting on the couch, you're watching your favorite show, it's usually at least 30 minutes, maybe an hour, and you just wanna do arm exercises, sit down, put your feet down, and just do bicep curls. Just do some of these arm raises.
Do some Pilates
while
movements.
you're watching your favorite show. I mean, it's just that easy. You
could
want to
be
do a full-blown workout, we've got it all in the pamphlet for you. We can give you a whole, 30-minute deal.
You can be standing, you can be sitting, you can do little movements like this.
Oh, yeah.
You don't even have to stand on it. You can literally do what they call band pull aparts. Just grab the band and pull side to side.
Oh, yeah, that's great for the chest.
You're gonna activate all of your shoulder muscles there. You're gonna activate that just by doing a band pull apart. And then you can get more advanced and do it at an angle if you want to. And you can get all that activation without a lot of work. I'm a little winded, you can hear it in my voice, but 5 minutes turns into 10 minutes, turns into 20 minutes. Take a picture of yourself right now, today, whenever you get this home, and then take another picture in 90 days. Look at the difference.
Commit to 2 times, maybe 3 times a week of incorporating some of these exercises. You know those pain points. You know those areas that you need to work on. Maybe it's your chest, maybe it's your upper body. You're getting a full body workout with these bands, and it's not just one band. So let me tell you what you're getting. Just back in stock since September. Once we get these, they fly. You're the first to see them since they're back in stock, and you're getting all of it. In this wonderful storage pouch, I'm going to show you what you're getting. You're getting 5 resistance bands, but what's fantastic about these resistance bands, unlike other ones that you can find, they're customizable. So you've got these hooks. You've got the option to use them with the arm. Like, what do we call these?
These are the handles.
These are the handles. They're foam handles, great for those with dexterity issues.
That's right.
But you also get the clips for over the door.
Yeah, these are like little hook and loops for your ankles.
Oh, so you could hook that, and then I could do like
all your leg
resistant
muscles, all your leg exercises. Yeah, and so that has a little hook there. And so you just clip it to your band just like you do your handles, and then tuck a loop around your ankle.
And we give you the pamphlet to show you how easy. By the way, since we're up close, do you see this? Every resistance band tells you what this poundage equates to.
Embroidered.
Embroidered. So
not a
it's
sticker.
Not going anywhere.
No.
Which I love. I also like that it's in kilograms, because sometimes I watch workout videos online and it's somebody from Europe, and
Me too.
I don't know how many kilograms. So you get it in pounds and kilograms. You're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're getting all of the attachments in the storage pouch. And I just want to remind you again, because I've taken a few years to build up my, little at-home gym.
Yeah.
A 20-pound dumbbell, just the dumbbell itself. At the lowest I found it, at any other sporting goods store, $20.
Yep, like this
$1
kind of thing.
per pound.
Yeah.
So you're getting all of that.
This is a 15-pound, I just took for in transparency, this is the entire gym that you're getting home today. And so it's like, which one would you rather, I'm gonna step to the side, which one would you rather have?
Right.
An entire gym or one 15-pound weight that cost more than all of your resistance training. This, my muscles already activated because I'm holding, wants to just drop to the ground. Heaven forbid you drop that on a toe.
Yeah.
This
you can't
is
travel
easy.
with it either.
You can put it in your luggage, take it with you if you are traveling. If you travel for work, know somebody going to the dorm room, it doesn't have a lot of space.
Right.
Always in hotel rooms. This is the way to work out no matter where you are, because it's that easy. Just grab it, start to stretch it, play some music, take some photos of yourself so you feel good. And when you feel good, you're more motivated. It's like, feeling good is like a drug. It just keeps,
there's more likely you're going to use it. So instead of getting that gym membership and you're trying to get there and then you're going around the parking lot a million times, get the gym home to you, $19.99. In fact, get it home on Flex for $10.
Yeah.
10 piece for $10.
You get those endorphins going, feel happy.
Go.
It's a new year.
So good.
Same us, we're with you. Join me. TV chat on Instagram. I'm gonna post a lot of workout videos coming up, so join us.
I can't thank you enough. By the way, hurry up and grab it if you haven't already. Congratulations to those of you that have, because this thing is gonna sell out and I don't want you to miss out. Okay, should we keep it going? Okay, so you know how we said, okay, take a picture of yourself at the start of the year, start incorporating the resistance bands, track, right? Just see the data, see how you're doing. That's what I love about this right here from Let's Fit. So I told you about it at the beginning of the hour. #1 best-selling watch brand here at HSN, the smart watch.